corporate tax is a critical issue when you're forming your new company. You don't want to pay corporate taxes if you can help it. The corporate tax rate at the federal level is about 35%. At the state level, it's about 9%. You get a credit for the state tax against the federal tax, but you're paying about 40% in taxes. Then when you pay out a dividend, the individual pays his own level of taxes again, which can be as much as 40%. So paying 40% once and paying 40% on that 60% that's left over is a huge cost to a young company. Normally, you pay out all of the earnings of a corporation at the end of its fiscal year, so there are no corporate taxes to pay on a startup. If there are earnings, often there isn't enough money to worry about, but whatever's left over, you'll pay out as a bonus to the people who've been working for the company, or you'll figure out a way to make sure you spend it before the end of the corporate fiscal year. You can file what's called an S-election. It's a Form 2553 with the IRS, which allows you to pretty much avoid corporate taxes except at the state level. The good part about the S-election is it converts it to pretty much one level of taxation, only at the personal level. The detriment to an S-election is it puts some limitations on other benefits that you can have from a corporation. One of those key benefits is if you hold your stock, you're an initial investor in the company and you hold your stock for more than 5 years, you get a significant capital gains tax break when you sell the stock. It's something you need to look at when you're thinking about an S-election. The other part of an S-election is there are a whole bunch of hoops that you have to jump through. You need to work with your accountant to make sure that you continue to qualify. One of the disqualifying factors is a non-U.S. taxpayer being a shareholder. You automatically lose your election. Another is if you have entities holding stock, you lose your election. So often when we form a corporation, even though you'd like to have an S-election, we don't file it because we know that those rules are going to be broken. And last thing, venture capitalists and funds like to see a C corporation for a lot of tax reasons.